What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, may pag-uusapan tayong bagong NFT. So ito guys, napakaganda ng gameplay nito, and ipapakita natin sa inyo, and also ituturo natin sa inyo kung ano ba yung dapat nyong abangan dito guys sa 77bit.com. But before that, ito pala muna guys yung winner ng ating pag-giveaway. Ito guys yung ating mechanic sa 500 pesos giveaway. So kailangan nyo lang guys i-comment yung hidden letter na yung mag-a-appear sa video. And also i-save nyo guys yung mga letter na yun para i-comment nyo yan guys sa last video ng Tuesday. And also guys, kailangan mag-comment kayo ng done. O kaya isama nyo na guys yung letter, then done, para malaman natin na nanonood kayo. And also subscribe and also like all my videos. So ganun lang ka-basic guys, at may chance ka nang manalo ng 500 pesos giveaway. And since onti lang yung viewers natin, malaki yung chance na mananalo ka dito ng 500 pesos. And eto naman guys yung mechanics ng ating 100 pesos giveaway. So kailangan nyo lang mag-subscribe sa aking channel, mag-like and mag-share ng videos ko everyday, and also comment your Gcash number. So guys, ito yung kanilang website. So ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, ayan. So ayan, Breach the Horizon, Read to Hack the System, Dive into 77 Bits, a new few months, and shape the future of Byte City. So guys, pakita natin sa inyo guys yung gameplay, and also pakita rin natin sa inyo yung trailer nila dito. So ayan guys, scroll down lang natin. So ayan yung game plan, and eto guys. So check natin yung future. Okay, explore our future. So pwede nyo ma-check dito guys yung AI, economy, and also yung MMORPG, IP, and also collectibles, darknet, and arcade. So dito muna tayo guys sa economy. So check natin. The economy in our world is driven by players. Okay, so balik tayo doon. Is driven by players with interconnected system where your actions have real value, from crafting rare items to owning digital assets and a player-owned licensing. The economy is designed to empower you. This is not just a game, it's a platform for true ownership. So dito guys, kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda talaga ng interface nila, lalo na tong website nila. So dito nag-try na rin ako. Dito kasi guys, hindi ako NFT holder, and wala rin naman akong battle pass. So kumbaga, free lang talaga ako dito guys. And tinatry ko mag-earn dito every 8 hours. Ay, ito yung mining nila. So ayan, so free lang to guys ha. Sabi dito is BitBot all set now, you can sit back and watch. So i-click nyo lang to guys. So once na-click nyo yan, ayan, magkakaroon na kayo dito guys. So ito yung nakuha kong bits. Bytes pala guys. So ang sabi dito is bytes can be earned in a variety of ways. The easiest ways to earn bytes is through passive mining with BitBot. So ito guys yun. Tapos just click a button. So dito you can also earn more bytes by completing battle pass, missions, awakening mission, daily logins, and inviting your friends. So dito guys may daily login din. Di ba tao nakakapag-login? So balik tayo doon, nawala. Okay, so finish lang natin. So dito guys, magli-login ka lang. Okay, so claim ko na to. So thanks to na yung boost ko. Ayan, so nakaka 2 days na ako guys. Okay, so pwede ka nga dito, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung boost. Ayan, pampadagdag ng bytes. And also awakening mission, tapos ko na to guys yung 7 eh. So may panibago na naman ata. Check ko lang, ayun, kiklaim ko lang. Connect your wallet, nagawa ko na to guys. Kasi yung mission dito na 7 days, natapos ko na. So kung mapapansin nyo, nadadagdagan yung days ko dito. Ayan, sa gameplay pa lang guys, sobrang solid nun. Pwede yung 5v5 ata. Tapos ganon yung parang access rin siya guys, and may halong access siya. Tapos browser lang yung meron, pero wala to guys sa Ronin na. So check lang natin. So ito sa invites, ayan. So, itong play for free guys, kung meron kang NFT nila, so pakita rin natin sa inyo guys yung OpenSea collection nila. So, ang lupit nun guys, kasi yung activity doon tuloy-tuloy talaga yung bumibili. And nung nakita ko yung nasa so eto guys yung kanilang OpenSea. So eto, ayan, mapapansin nyo nandito rin si Tanjiro. So ito yung kanilang mga binibenta. So pakita natin sa inyo guys yung activity, kasi ito yung pinakamahalaga lalo na sa OpenSea, yung NFT nila, kung tuloy-tuloy bang may demand. So check natin, yung last sale is 40 minutes ago. So ito medyo bumagal. Nung nakaraan nakikita ko mga 20 minutes lang. Eh no, bumaba pa nga siya guys. So kayo kung gusto niyo magka-NFT dito, ayan, para makapaglaro na kayo. Pero depende naman yun guys sa perception nyo or perspective nyo kung nakikitaan nyo talaga ng malaking potential itong game. Pero ako, malaking nakikita kong potential dito kasi hindi ko lang kaya mag-risk ng ganitong amount for now. Okay? Pero kung medyo kayang-kaya talaga magre-risk ako dito guys. And also ito yung kanilang Twitter. Ayan, so dito ko rin nakita yung mga trailers nila. So ayan guys, scroll down lang natin. So, ayan. So, hindi pa siya guys open sa public. Okay, so ang sabi kasi nila dito, pakita lang natin sa inyo. So, nung March 19, nilalaro na siya ng mga NFT holders. Tapos, nung March 21, which is today, Battle Pass holder, miss the NFT both via Battle Pass to unlock instant beta access. Score better quest reward and 3 times higher pixel byte conversion. The fiercer the monster, the bigger the drops, so level up fast. So punta tayo dito guys and check natin yung Battle Pass. So ito guys yung kanilang Battle Pass. So ito yung ipambibili mo dyan. Okay, disclaimer, this is a beta test. All purchase item, hard currency, and progress will be wiped at the end of the beta. Have no real world value. Any future credits or rewards we may offer to beta participants are at our sole discretion and not guaranteed. By making this purchase, you acknowledge this condition. So guys, ma-wipe out din pala guys kapag natapos na yung beta. So yung beta ata matatapos nung April, not sure. So ayan, click natin tong free. Okay, so done. So may 20 tayong nakuha dito. So check lang ulit natin guys ha. So kung kanina nakita natin is magkano yun? 4.2. So check natin ha. So gagastos ka dito guys ng $3 din or 3,000 pesos pala. Bali $60. Okay. So hindi pa kasama dyan kapag mag-enter ka galing sa crypto. So ayan, sa crypto hindi natin alam kung magkano yung fees nun. So additional fees. So ito pa guys, starter pack. Ayan. Nandito yung question. So, ayan. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin to guys i-check ha. And also yung kanilang pa-airdrop dito. So, ayan guys. So, ito pala. Bigay lang natin sa inyo additional idea. So, March 21. Tapos, March 25 and ayan, March 25. Noob and bit buyers. Become a noob by meeting 4 hidden parameters. Some of you are onto them already. So, pwede nyo hanapin to guys, anong parameter yung hinahanap nila para maging or para ma-consider ka as noob. And sa March 25, pwede ka na mag-try dito guys. Or skip the guesswork. Buy any bits pack, the hard currency of 77-bit to join the final wave. Either way, you'll have the last 10 days of beta to catch up. So, hustle and grind. So, yung beta test, and guys, April 4 siya mag-e-end. These 3 paths are your only ticket into the beta. Choose wisely or risk being left out looking in. So, ayan guys. April 4, tapos na. Pero, pwede ka makasali dito guys kung bibili ka ng kahit isa. So, check lang natin So, ito, pwede na ata ito. So, I'm not sure, hindi ko alam yung parameters dito. So, siguro gawa na ako next video. As of now, konti pa lang or kulang pa yung kaalaman natin regarding this one. Pero yan, nagpo-focus tayo dito. So, ayan, nakaboost na ako ng 2.1. So, follow nyo na rin yung kanilang Twitter account dito, guys, para makasali kayo doon sa kaninang ginawa natin, yung 7. Okay. Para dun guys sa ginawa natin kanina, which is eto guys na awakening mission. So ito ata yung sinasabi na 4 na parameters. So wala pa akong invites dito. So I'm not sure kasi 4 to. So gumamit lang tayo ng logic. So ayan yung mining ko, nakaka-83 na ako. Kada 8 hours yan guys ha. So pwede nyo pag-focusan yan kasi baka magamit nyo. Kaso yun nga lang, ma-wipe out din. So hindi ko lang alam kung ang mangyayari dito is pwede mo ma-convert or something. So, I'm not sure. So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. And kung meron kayong mga question regarding this NFT or this project, please comment it down below. And also kung meron kayong clarification and kung nakita nyo ng mali yung ating pagre-review. So, maraming salamat guys sa panonood. At once again, this is Hans and goodbye.